I came out here today because I'm proud to be here. I wanted to talk to all my fans, all people who support me through the years. If you want to know a little bit about me, 9 years ago, I started wrestling. And just last year, I won the Maine state title. First champion in 11 years for Calais High School. I can't think of a better place for me to have my professional wrestling title match here tonight for all of you guys. I'm honored. Most of all, I'd like to thank my friends and family. And I have a special friend that came here tonight and chose to come see me and support me. And that's Caleb Bennett. Thank you very much. Another person I have to thank is Stephanie. She's been—
That's enough! Shut up! Shut up! That's enough! I'm not gonna let you waste any more of my time on these stupid, inbred hillbillies! Shut your face! You see, I don't know who you think you are, what you think you've done in this high school. I don't know how many 16-year-old boys you think you beat, but I'm not a 16-year-old boy. I'm the Maine state icon. I'm the global impact champion. Why don't you shut your face and put the camera down, Manny? Put it down now. You want to sit down before I knock you down. The fact of the matter is, I said this before, I'm going to say it again, no matter where I go, whether it's Calais, Maine, Lubec, Maine, Addison, Maine, Fort Kent, Maine, I said sit down before I knock that mustache right off your face. This is how it's going to go. Hey! People like you, buddy, they come along a dime a dozen. People like me, well, Pinhead, we're once in a lifetime. See, after I beat you tonight, you can make all the excuses you want. You can blame it on that light being in your eyes. You can blame it on your shoelace being untied. But the fact, yeah, you can blame it on her, because I definitely blame it on her. You can blame it on all these out of shape, fat, pathetic morons right here in Calais, a step and a half away from Canada. You might as well call this place Canada. Canada. Oh, Canada. So this is how we're gonna make it happen. Hey, Blondie. Blondie. I'm the icon. You were going down. I got business to take care of. After tonight, there's going to be one name that all these people remember, and it's not John Hatt. It's the Maine state icon, Ryan the Showman.
You finished? Because after tonight, we'll see. You're taking that title off your waist. And this man right here is one of the best people in the world. Don't you agree? This guy's awesome. Hey, watch what you say, pal. Your mouth's bigger than your belly, let me tell you that. Hey, I got something to say. Ladies and gentlemen, this man right here is going to win that Global Impact title tonight. What do you think about that? While we're on the subject of titles, hey Jimmy Capone, I see you have a title in your hand, but I've got a proposition for you. What do you people think? You think Captain Freedom should take that tonight? Hey, one more time, we're not going to do it alone. Are we going to take that tonight?
Give me that money.
This thing on? Oh yeah, it's on, Daddy. Alright, fine. You want a title match? I'll give it to you. But if I win, you gotta take off the mask, ugly boy.
I'll take off my mask. I'm cute. You know, I'll take off my mask.
No, you ain't cute. Only ugly people wear masks, Daddy. You ain't cute.
Hey, you're not Jimmy Capone. You're the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Hey, John, when I beat you, you take your mask off.
Wait, that's actually his face. Your eyes are on. We'll see you later tonight.
Hey, don't leave yet. I want to do a survey really quick here. Who wants those guys to win their matches tonight?